Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris and today I am back out ready to fly my Flywoo Flylens 85. It's honestly the nicest day that we've had in as long as I can remember. It's super clear, super still, not a breath of wind in the air, and it's not too cold. So snatching the opportunities today to get out there and do a bit of flying. Really looking forward to it. Oh, I missed that sound. Let's find somewhere to take off from that's not just covered in mud. Let's try it on here. That's quite a good little land, look at that. Perfect. How have you all been, by the way? I hope you've been well. Have you managed to fly much? Tell me in the comments, let me know what you've been up to. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Are we ready to go? How do I start this thing? Yeah. I can't remember how to start this. Disarmed. T disarmed. What? How to start Flywoo.
A few moments later.
What's going on here? Whoa, what is going on here? Air unit overheated. What are you on about overheated? It's freezing. Air unit shutting off for a period. Okay, brilliant. Thanks for that. I just love the simplicity of this hobby. So simple. Okay, I think it's armed. We're good. You know what I was doing? I was doing the, oh God. I was doing the thing that you do with the Neo to start it, which is like the downwards diagonal thing. I think that's how long it's been since I've flown. I was getting confused. Oh man, how nice is this? I'm gonna fly down this little irrigation ditch down here. Bearing in mind, if I crash it here, I'm absolutely screwed. Because this, remember, this is a big ditch full of water. And if it goes in there, I ain't getting back out. And I haven't got anything like a lovely DJI Care Refresh program with this thing. So if it's gone, then it's gone. And I am cooked, as the kiddies today say. Wow, isn't that lovely? Low battery already, what are you chatting about? It's feeling like, you know what it is like riding a bike? You know, even though I haven't flown in months, it comes straight back to you, really. Still a little bit rusty, but... That was a nice little flight. Let's, I'm going to bring it back and then I'm going to cycle up the road. Let's find somewhere else to fly. Oh, Jesus. That's it, e-bike. That's it. Let's go in here. Well, there's loads of geese coming in. Look at these guys. Look at these fellas. Whoa. How awesome is that? 4 batteries left, guys. Only 4 batteries left. This is the downside, I think, with the Flywoo. You know, these are 750 milliamp batteries, which I think they're kind of small, but they only last about 3 minutes for a flight. The Neo's like 10 minutes. So I kind of miss that. I miss being able to fly for longer. But anyway, let's get out there. Let's do it. Oh, why's my joystick's loose? There we go, that's better. All right, let's try and hit some of these gaps next to where I am. Which one are we going to go for, guys? I see one over here. Let's take it easy, it's slow. Oh no, that's not a gap. Whoa, what's kind of a gap? That wasn't really a gap, was it? It was like quite a lot of trees there. Let's hit this one. That wasn't a gap. Oh, a bit of a wonky takeoff there. Whoa. Let's go over here. Is that a gap? That's not really a gap, is it? Oh my God. Oh, he did it. Oh! That was great. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whoa, you fell over my bike. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Okay, yeah, this battery's got some power in it. We've got some juice. Right, let's come back and hit some of these guys over here. Oh, that's already, is that too small? What was that? Nope. Nope. Need a longer run in than that, mate. Crikey. I think that was a bit of a harder hit. So what's going on with the camera there? It's gone a bit funny. Something weird has happened. Oh, it kind of knocked the camera out. There you go. Nothing that we can't fix. Camera error. Ooh. Okay. Camera error. I had this before where I think I've knocked the camera here. Something's maybe knocked loose. Oh man, that's annoying. So there we go. We're going to have to, I think, cut this flight short a little bit, which is a bit sad. I'd always wondered how durable the Flywoo would be in comparison to the Neo, for example, knowing that it wouldn't be quite as durable because the Neo is, you know, it's fully encased. It's built to be crashed tons. Like it can just survive almost anything, that thing. And I knew that the Flywoo wouldn't be quite as durable as that. To be honest with you, I'm a little bit disappointed in how quickly that seems to have broken. I mean, I haven't been going crazy with it. I know I've crashed a few times, but only into fairly light branches and a bit of grass and stuff like that. So they haven't been kind of really intense, crazy crashes. So a little bit disappointed really that it hasn't been able to survive that kind of level of punishment, especially with me. You're going to need to survive more than that, mate. But the good thing about it is you know, you can take it apart, you can repair it. I'm hopeful that I can repair it without needing any new parts or anything like that. So I'll give it a go. Anyway, I guess I better cut this video here and just say I hope you have a wonderful Christmas with your family and your loved ones, and I will see you on the other side in 2026. Can you believe it? Good Lord, what is it gonna be like in 2026? All right, take care. See you on the other side. Bye.